I'm going to play a little game with you now, which is called Couch Confession. Couch Confession. What is the biggest charade that you've come across in Bollywood?
Pretentiousness.
What is the most arrogant thing you've ever done?
I've dealt with my career as an arrogant person. When Mr. Bhatt threw me out of Saransh just before, 10 days before the shooting, I said, मैं तुमको श्राप देता हूँ.
What is the strangest thing you've ever put in your mouth?
Well, when I was doing lots of films, then I said, okay, I have to give my version of Godfather. So I put cotton in my mouth, which did not work because cotton used to become soggy, and then the effect of the sagging thing used to become not be there. So I put those earplugs, जो rubber के होते हैं, उसको दो करके यहाँ डालता था मैं.
What is the most ridiculous line that you've ever heard or said?
Oh, plenty of ridiculous lines I've said. Plenty of ridiculous lines. There was a film where I was acting with Kader Khan Saab, and I had to say कि तेरे मुंह में आग लगे, and then I improvised और fire brigade भी ना आए. Plenty, I can say. All rape scenes that I have not done many, but all rape scenes that I've done, they're all ridiculous. I always thought that I will never laugh in a rape scene. But the Hindi film rape scene, it starts with the laughter. It's ridiculous. Nobody is sort of turned on and sort of saying,
What is the most meaningful line you've ever said or heard?
याद करने पर बीता हुआ सुख भी दुखी देता है. From Daddy.
Have you ever been mistaken for another celebrity?
I think people in hurry do not sort of, they think all bald men look alike. That is not truth. And somebody called me Sadashiv Amrapurkar. So that was not with any passing a judgment on Sadashiv, but I think that was a little far-fetched. And somebody called me in a wig Jackie Shroff. So that was an insult to Jackie Shroff because my wig was very bad.
Well, before we go, we have a message actually from people that you have worked with.
He has this incredible ability to laugh at himself, and he does it on set, he does it off set, he does it all the time, and that's where his unique sense of humor comes from, and that's what I love about Anupam. And when I worked with you, I never knew what to expect. I knew that there were some lines on a paper which I was always mugging up because my Hindi is so terrible, and you would just take that whole scene that we did to another level because you would improvise with me, and then that would trigger something in me. For that reason, I would not like you to change for anything.
Anupam Kher is a very sad man, contrary to the projection that he continuously gives to the world. Other defining trait of Anupam Kher is what was there in the great Charlie Chaplin. A man who is intensely aware of the tragic dimension of life.